Yo, so what I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand me? I say One Nation and Imara Nation. Big up all of the nation out there, man. See me? Yo, man. You don't know the thing going on, brother. I'm gonna find a video of a woman I protect. She got to be protected at all costs. This lady right here, she got to be protected at all costs. She's reasonable and she's beautiful. One of the best combo ever. You see me? And she's speaking about how sometimes women want men to show feelings and then, you know, call them bitches and shit like that in the end when them actually start show emotion. So let's hear what she has to say real quick. You see me?
The thing that pisses me off about women is that y'all want men to be sensitive, but then when a man shows that side of himself, you call him a bitch or you call him weak. Y'all do realize that men have feelings too, right? Y'all understand they're not robots. They have emotions too, but they bottle that shit up inside of them because they're afraid that if they show that part of them, that they're gonna get called weak or they're gonna get called a bitch. So I've heard females be like, "Oh my God, he's so emotional. He's so sensitive." And y'all wonder why these men are emotionally closed off. Like, guys hurt too. But like, when they're hurting, it's hard as fuck for them to even actually show that side of themselves. Because you know what? Who the fuck do they turn to? Can't turn to you because you out there making them feel less. Like, it's a goddamn crime for them to be human, to cry, to have emotions, to have feelings. You make them feel like a bitch when they're not a bitch. Okay? That's a real man right in front of you, bruh.
Big up this lady. This lady need to be protected at all costs because she understands what men go through. She understands how society did a number on men's mental health. There's nobody we can talk to. If it's not us, talk to ourselves, or we got our homeboys that we can talk to. That's why you see a lot of these girls say, "Oh, yo, y'all like to be around your friends so much. Well, you gay, you this, you that." No, it's because me and this dude, we can relate. We going through the same thing because you just like theme girl. So me and him, I forgot to him now and spend all an hour in the car before we even step into the house because as we go in, we just slowly are dead. Niggas can't even show their emotions. We can't even be vulnerable because, women are hardwired to love niggas who are pretty much a brick wall. You don't have no feelings, you're tough, you're rough, you can protect, you can provide, just don't have no feelings. If you have feelings, you're a bitch, bro. But this is where we fall short as men more time. As men, we love to go for the girl them when I want we. We love the internet body. Let me not move like, I don't want to be a hypocrite. I love hot girl. I be a hot girl I talk to. I swear to God, my nigga. I want to talk about hot girl, I talk about girl will look good without makeup. Because this is the makeup thing now. I'm not bash nobody. This is why I love natural woman. I almost say I love natural woman. I don't want to feel like every natural girl I talk about. Because you have natural girl that are ugly. By societal standards. I talk about the girl that actually look good. The girl that you can wake up tomorrow in the morning and see them and see, oh damn, this is my girl. She look good in her blood and she have matter in her eye. And she probably have look a big boogie in her nose. She not have no boogie in her nose, but I'm just being dramatic. But I say, if me want a girl that look good when I can wake up to in the morning and say, yo, yeah, this is my girl. I don't want a girl look good with makeup and when she take off the makeup, she have black under her eye. She have beer sitting on her face and discoloration and rare. No, we don't want that. Look good, girl. Really look good, girl. So when I say this, I don't want to feel like, say, yo, nigga, put a be hot girl, you talk to her. Yes. I am shallow when it comes to certain things. But I will tell you this right now. Whosoever is considered a 10, if a 10 have be a problem, I will go for a 5 or a 6 will bring me nothing but everlasting peace and love. Niggas can't even be vulnerable with your woman. Yo, brother, remember one time I pour out my heart one time, one time I talk about the disagreements with me and my father, because me and my father now have a good relationship. You see me? So I tell the girl how I feel, and him fuck up her family and him something like that. It's like, I could see the look in the girl's face like our pussy does a dry up same time. Because the youth who she did meet, nonchalant youth and him not care about nothing and you know, because I don't really too care about nothing still, is it me? So it's like she like that none give a fuck attitude there. But the minute me start get deep in it and me start show some emotions and them things that like me can see the girl, like she said, no, like damn, I don't even want to be a part of this shit no more. And that's what I'm saying. We fall short with going for the women who don't give a damn about us sometime. So a lot of the problems that we face as men, we are the cause. Why you think so much man spend all 15 minutes, half an hour, 45 minutes to an hour in him car before him step in him house? Ladies, let me tell you this. You see, if your man, you and your man live, and him rather spend time out a door than with you in the house, and you are say, oh, him must love man, or him gay, or no, mama, you are the problem. You are the problem. If your man love to stay out of the house and come in back at night time, when him have to interact with you least as possible, is you are the problem. You don't bring him no peace. Him can't get a cook dinner. The house dirty. Him not have no respect in him house. You tell him anything you come in your mouth in front of anybody. So it's like, I don't even know, bruh. I don't even know, because we as men, we can't even show the ounce of emotion, else you're a bitch, bro. And females are hardwired into loving the ruthless one them, the rough one them, the brawling one them, the monster them. Because them man, they are seen as very masculine. Them can provide a broken neck if any level of threat come against him family. So that them want. So men, as me I say, I'm going to tell this to you again, brother. We as men need to start selecting better partners, bro. The older you get, the more you will see say looks no mean nothing, brother. Me can tell you that right now. And experienced men can also tell you looks no mean nothing, brother. You see, all of my galley's friend them are married right now. I mean, I diss the dog them. But I hope the dog them don't take it as on this. But the wife what we have right now today don't look as good as the girl them what we used to fuck in high school. We used to fuck baddies, bro. I tell you some hot girl. Brother, Jamaica, I'm get my first hood suck. Jamaica. I might have about hot girl when Cartel sing about suck hood and everywhere. Hot. Uptown, immaculate girl. I deal with the girl, boy. We are mistakes. Bow. She was an actual nice girl. That one that she was nice. I mean, fuck up that one there. I'm tell you that right now. But men, we need to select better partners. You can find girls that look good, that have your best interests at heart, but they are so little of them nowadays. You see the girl them with have bodies, bro. They want to know what you can do for them. So if you don't want a bodies and you don't want a bodies problem, brother, just find a nice humble woman and settle down with, brother. I tell you that right now. I be a hot girl me talk to know where the hot girl them does. To me right now, I just something for look pan right now. Damn, she's fine. Yo, she look good. That's about it. That is, I swear to God, I'm not trying to be disrespectful on her, but that's about it. Because you loud, you disrespectful, you ain't got no manners, you're masculine, and I don't like that. If I don't want to date you, you must hate your mama. No, I don't hate my mother, mama. First of all, my mom don't act like you. And that's another reason why you gotta watch it. You see, any one of them girls, you debate to them and you state your preference, and the first thing will come out of their mouth is, you must hate your mom. Leave her alone, brother. Leave her alone. And them kind of girl have look at this day and towards men. Look, they're not like man. They're not like man, and it's clear. So you better play a part. As I said, that girl, she need to be protected. Protect that girl. You don't know, say one nation and Imara nation. Ladies and gentle G's, my name is Negusimara and this is my channel. Make sure you like, comment, share, hit the notification bell, subscribe, all of them things. They don't know the things that when the king said. Let me know what you thinking in the comments. You see me? Up move.